finally out flying a drone today. It's been a couple of weeks. My wife had surgery that went wrong, and I've spent a lot of time looking after her. And the good news is she's doing a lot better. So today I asked her if she'd mind if I went out for an hour or so and just flew a drone. And she was okay with that. I have my phone, so hopefully there's no trouble. And we're gonna fly the drone today. We're at a location that we've flown before. If you watch my videos regularly, and it looks like this area here is finally being developed. We've been coming here off and on for probably the last 3 or 4 years, and it was pretty much just an open field. Now I haven't been here for a while, and I come here today, and there's dirt everywhere, so something's happening here. Anyways, we brought along a chair,